Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens, and today I'm going to show you how I bring my wigs back to life. As you can see, I've worn this wig in a certain bun style, and I'm just taking it out, prepping it for wash day. I've worn this to work, going out places, and as you can see, it's not shiny, it's very dull. It doesn't have any bounce to it. So right now I'm taking my Africa's Best herbal oil, and I'm putting that in the water just to add moisture to the wig through this process. And then I just stir that up, and then the next thing, I'm taking my favorite staple product, which is the Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner. Has a lot of good benefits. It moisturizes the hair, and this product also helps with detangling. But right now I'm using it as a base for the water, so that it can strip the hair of like product buildup and all other like gels and stuff that I've put in the hair that's still in the hair. So now I'm just going to take the entire wig and push it down in the water. This is kind of like warm, hot water, you know. And the technique that I use, I just squeeze the product out of the hair. And as I'm doing this, you can see that the water is like stripping the hair of like product buildup. So I do this for a good 2 to 3 minutes. And another thing that you don't want to forget to wash is the lace of the wig. This is where the glue is that holds the wig down. It still has foundation if you use that to like create your part. So you definitely don't want to forget the lace inside the wig. And I kind of use friction with the wig lace in my fingers to help get in the lace. So as you can see, that's a lot of product buildup. So what I'm going to do is take some more clean water and rinse it one more time, just to make sure that I've gotten most of the products and stuff out of the hair. The reason I don't use shampoo is because it makes the hair stiff and stringy. So I wash the hair with conditioner to like clean it and add moisture. So now I'm going to start finger detangling, and then when I get to the top, I'm also going to use the comb to like really lay down and part my middle part. So again, I'm using my Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner. And when you're detangling curly hair, you want to start from the bottom and work your way up, so that you can comb out all of the knots. And a wide tooth comb really helps with this process. And as you can see, the before and after of the hair, like the side on the left is already detangled, but the side on the right hasn't been detangled, and you can already see the difference. The hair is starting to shine, the curls are starting to form. So the next product that I'm going to be using is my Smooth and Shine Setting Mousse. And I really love this mousse because it's good for straight or wavy hair. It also has black seed oil and coconut oil, so it doesn't make the hair stiff. So I'm going to focus this on the root of the wig and smooth it down. And then whatever products that's left on my hand, I'm going to scrunch the wig to define the curls. Then I'm going to take the brush and just brush down all the flyaways on the wig. And as you can see, the wig is shining, it looks moisturized. So yeah, that is how I maintain my wigs. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.